Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Encode Decode. Today is the fourth day of 30 days DSA challenge. Today what we are going to see is the question given to us, given an array of uh, n positive integer and another number x. Determine whether or not mm, there exist two element in array whose sum is exactly x. Okay, let me deeply explain this question. We are given a number, n number of array. It contains unsorted elements. Okay. After that, what we have to find is if we add any two elements in this particular array, we should get the value of x. In this scenario, we are having 16. After adding any two elements, we should get 16. So that is the scenario. If we get 16, we should return yes, or else we should return no. That is our main focus. Okay, in this example you can see 6 plus 10 which gives 16, so the output will be yes, or else 10 plus in the scenario 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, likewise we have to check it out whether the list of array can give us the possible output. Okay, uh, let's jump into the code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a binary search algorithm to solve this one. For that binary search algorithm, we need to insert a sorted array. By that only, the binary search algorithm works properly. For that, if you guys don't know what is binary search algorithm, just feel free to search on Google. It will give us tons of replies to you. If you guys want, I can give a quick. Okay, I can give a quick intro of what is binary search. If you are having a number of array, it will. Sorry about that. Okay, if you are having a n number of array, it will divide it into equal of both an array. Okay. After that, what you instead of searching one by one into the array, what binary search will do, it will divides equally the array. After that, it will check whether our needed elements will be greater than or lesser than to the particular list. If it is greater than in the number, it will goes to this particular array and split it into half and search for it. Likewise, it will see each time split the array and search for it. Likewise, we can reduce the time complexity of big O to log n. So that is the main agenda of binary search tree. But in this scenario, what we are going to do is we are going to insert a array which is sorted manner. So that's the main focus. We need to uh, focus on binary search tree. Main thing we need to focus on binary search tree. After that, okay, let's code it. Maybe you will understand that. I'm going to create a sort function array arrays dot sort array. This is a sorted array I'm going to use. If you see this is the array given in the question. After that, I'm going to create a two variables. One is integer start equals 0 and another one is integer end is equal to 0. After that, in binary search tree we can perform in two ways. One is recursion and another one is a while loop. Okay, that is just a basic way. After that, I'm creating a while loop and giving start greater than start lesser than n, because we are going to add or minus the start or end. So by that way, the while loop can be ended, or else it will be go infinite. In this end will be like the number of elements minus 1, which means the length of an array. After, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a if statement. It will add the array of start plus array of end. If both are equal, what we have to do is equal to x. What we have to do is just return. Sorry about that. I just missed curly braces. what we have to do is just return true, else. And there is a three scenario we can face in this uh, conditions we are doing. Okay, the first possible is maybe it will be equal to x, or it will be greater to x, or else it will be lesser than of x. These are the possible scenarios why we are adding these two numbers. So for that only we are creating these if conditions. Else if array of start array of end is lesser than, if lesser than x, then what I'm going to do is increase the start and x as 1 for one variable. Else if it is lesser than or greater than, I'm going to decrease the n number. After I will tell you what this is, how this is works. End false. Okay, I will tell you how this works. Okay, let's assume the value comes at the first, as per the first one, we are going to pass a sorted array 1 4 6 8 10 45. This is the sorted array we are going to pass. As per this first condition, it will come, it will check 1 plus 45 equals to this 16. No, it is not equal, so it will goes to else statement. It will check it is lesser than of 16. No, it is not, because the value is 46, so it will goes to this statement. End will be minus, it will comes to this place. Perfect. After that again it will goes to while condition. It will check this statement. No, it is not correct, so it will comes to this place. And again it will check for 10 plus 1 equals to 16. No, it's not correct, right? So it will again n minus minus. After that this 8 will come in n. Sorry, no, if you see in just a second, but at this time if you see, it will lesser than 16. 10 plus 1, it will give the answer of 11. That's lesser than 16. At the time we are going to increase the start, it will comes at this place 4. And again we are checking with 10 and 4, it will give 16 14. At the time it was lesser than, so again we are increasing start, and again 10 plus 6, it will give the answer of 16. So this is how we are getting the answer. Finally, if nothing is match, we are going to return false. Yes guys, this is the code used to find the key pairs. Let's compile it. It was run good, and I'm going to submit it. Guys, in the meantime, I've given my LinkedIn profile in the description box. If you want to reach me, you can use those platform, and also I'm giving the answer, which means the code, in the GitHub link. Okay, you can also use those. If you guys like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Okay guys, thank you, it works good. Bye bye, see you on the next challenge.